Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the grammar point Aidani. So Aidani, Nagara and Aida is used to express simultaneous actions. For example, we have already learned about this Nagara where we speak about two simultaneous actions. For example, Gam o Kami Nagara unten shimasu. Similarly, for Aidani, we use two actions which is connected by Aidani. That is, Kohi o nonde iru shinbu no yomemasu. Kohi o nonde iru aida ni shinbu no yomimasu. That means while I was having coffee, I was reading the newspaper. Or point 1 during point 2. During is aida ni. And the structure here is this one. Verb is the te form of verb, and since it is a continuous action, it will have iru. So verb te iru. I adjective will be e aidani. Then na adjective is obviously na aidani, and noun will have a no appended to it. Now let us have a look on the difference between aidani and nagara. So as you can see in these examples, the first one having aidani and the second one having nagara, as well as the third one which also has nagara. Even though both of them expresses something that we are doing during this point of time, however, when we use this term nagara, this unten shimasu, this second part is always the main clause. That is, we are mainly driving when I was chewing the gum. Similarly, for this third example, denwa o kake nagara unten shite wa ikemasen. That is, this part is the main clause. However, if we go and have a look at this phrase containing aidani, it says kohi o nonde iru aida ni shinbu no yomimasu. We cannot say that either of them is the main clause, but we obviously understand that this first portion is while I was drinking coffee, nonde iru, continuous tense, that is the main clause, and in between I was reading the newspaper. Even that may not be very correct when we compare it to this nagara term. So that's all for aidani. In the next video we will understand the difference between aida and aidani.